Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. Hope you're all fine. Subject Computer Science, Unit number 4, the Internet and World Wide Web. Students, yesterday we have learned about the principal means of connecting to Internet. Now today we are going to learn about steps involved in accessing the Internet. That is topic number 4.1.4 and it's on page number 141. All modern computers and laptops are capable of connecting to the internet, as are many other devices like smartphones, tablets and phablets. Here is the diagram of some modern devices that is capable of connecting to internet. For example, laptop, smartphone, computer, tablet and phablet. There are two ways of getting the internet at home. Number one is telephone line or landline. It can carry normal phone calls and internet data at the same time. Number two, mobile internet. A user can get mobile internet connection from one of the mobile network providers. It tends to be slower and more expensive than broadband through a landline. An internet connection should be set up first before one can use a computer to access the internet. Today, dial-up, DSL, broadband and Wi-Fi are the four commonly used internet connections. Students, mobile internet refers to access to the internet via the cellular telephone service provider. A mobile broadband modem, the smartphone, to one or more computers or others end user devices to provide access to the internet via the protocols that cellular telephone service providers may offer. Now the material that is needed to connect to the internet. In order to access internet, following items should be fulfilled stepwise. Computer, desktop or laptop, modem, telephone lines or other connection, web browsing software, internet service provider ISP, internet connection. Today we are going to learn these two, computer and modem. Computer. The basic requirement to access the internet is computer. It can be desktop or laptop computer. In the diagram you can see this is the desktop computer and laptop computer. You can connect the internet to both of them. Second one is modem. The word modem is an acronym for two words, modulator and demodulator. Actually, modem is a communication device that is used to connect computer to internet. It converts computers' digital signals into analog signals that are sent through telephone lines from one computer to another. On the receiving end, the other computer also has a modem working as demodulator. This modem converts receiving analog signals into digital signals, which computer understands and processes. Data transfer rate depends on the speed of modem. Faster the modem, faster the data will pass back and forth. Modern computers have built-in modems. Students, modem is a short for modulator and demodulator. It is a hardware component that allows a computer or another device, such as a router or switch, to connect to the internet. It converts or modulates an analog signals from a telephone or cable wire to digital data like ones and zeros that a computer can recognize. Similarly, it converts digital data from a computer or other device into analog signal that can be sent over standard telephone lines. The first modems were dial-up, meaning they had to dial a phone number to connect to an ISP. Now these modems operated over standard analog phone lines and used the same frequencies as telephone calls, which limited their maximum data transfer rate to 56 kbps. Dial-up modems also require full use of local telephone line, meaning voice calls would interrupt the internet connection. And students, data transfer rate is depend on the speed of the modem. Students, come to the exercise. Today we are going to cover exercise F, question number 5. Write a comprehensive note on the following: email and DSL. We have learned about these terms before. Now today we are going to mark its answer. Students, its answer is on page number 133, email. Both paragraphs are included in the answer. Second part is DSL. It's on page number 140. First two lines and last paragraph. It's included in your answer. You have to learn this question. Take care of yourself, class. Allah Hafiz.